guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Golden Arrow 0. I'm joined by Baba the Hunter.
Sibo grande bro.
Hayi mnati rimnani.
Akathemba mnati Sibo. Sibo. Watsa game bro akane. Wa bona askara tlwele na tsere be ma di PSL di Betway. Ntse tseba hore na ke manga a tshwana ndi utse. Ha re tsube motho straight ga monwa. Khoza batho ba le ke sponsor bro. Eselenga chairman khoza ntse chairman. Go tlopela re lla mo Mzansi bro ka di referee. Serious bro ga di manu wa re khawata. O khawata too much. Serious bro wa re borela man. Bro ga. Serious bro ga serious di manu wa re bola bro. Red card indirect Adams, when I go to the game. Red card. When number 0 is 80. Mucho Rabola go hard, Broca Barco, go side to me. I go hard, go Brock. Go side to Daniel. Yeah. So what give a gaming kana go right. Re so go tsibura ka marana so bro. We are back on the field. Ka maitaba monate bro. Titlota mo every day bro. And the others in bro. Okay. Broga. Chizi are heta family zaroni. What happened yesterday, bro? This thing it was a joke, but no, it's not a joke anymore. Because we are family, members who support the Kaizer Chiefs. Our members, saying our family is serious, bro. Those people, the family don't like to serious, bro, but they don't support. It's not a joke anymore, bro. Because we have family who support Kaizer Chiefs. Those 57 people, we are honest ahead. Those people who fill up the stadium, they are honest ahead. Come on, bro. Just talk. You know I always have a lot to say, Steve. But let me teach you something today. Today is going to be the perfect chance. I want to teach you that lesson about what you focus on expands. You understand me quickly there. What you focus on, bro? What you focus on, bro? What you focus on, bro? Expands. What you focus on? Expands. What you focus on? Expands. Did you see how that noise was drowned out when you started to pay attention? Because what you focus on expands. I didn't make a lot more noise. I was just consistent. I was persistent in getting your attention to shift from there to come back. And to me that's the word of the day. What you focus on, what you focus on expands. Today was a perfect, what you focus on expense. Today was a perfect opportunity, to show the beautiful game. This is a beautiful game. I am reminded in this game why I enjoy supporting Mamelodi Sundowns. They play beautiful football, man. They play beautiful football. The transitions from left to right, the transitions from moving the ball from the back to the front, the battles in the midfield. It's all beautiful. And what made it more beautiful today? Our opponent. I must say congratulations and well done to our opponents. They show up. They did show up today in the game, man. They were excellent enough to even have us against the rope towards the end. They had
opportunity to have us up against the ropes. But you focus on expense, bro. That's gonna continue. That's what's happening in the league right now. Chiefs is fighting, Pirates is fighting. There's talks of brown envelopes. There's all of those. What you focus on, expense. And that's why we're gonna win the league.
And we're going to win it.
That's why we're gonna win the league. In spite of what we can clearly see on the field as questionable decisions. Clearly. In spite of that, what we focus on expense, and what we are focused on is getting the league retained. By the way, I must also say thank you to you and Speedway and the rest of the crew for showing up to the Champions game.
Yes, much respect.
It's our title that's being defended here.
Yes.
And what we focus on will expand. Can you hear the silence? Man of the match. I can give it somewhere in the middle. I think Santos done actually very well today. In the back, in the manner, and Kekana done well. In the front, Reynolds, he let us down in the beginning of the game. There was about 3 clear chances where he actually had an opportunity to score, and he didn't. One was called offside, and even that one he didn't bury. So even if it was not offside, he would have still squandered the chance.
That's a fact.
Point is, he came back and put one in the back of the net in the second half, and took it a step further to score the goal of the season. We've been robbed, my man.
Yes.
We've been robbed from a clear contender for the goal of the season. I was sitting there and I started to shake, my man. I started to shake when I saw that ball go through and into the back of the net. Man. The net was like this. They robbed us. But in spite of that, what we focus on shall expand. We are focused, Coach Kadosho, on supporting you to the end of this thing. We are focused on supporting you to the end of this thing. We're going to retain this thing.
Thank you, Baba Hunter. Thank you, Baba Hunter.